Good morning, students. In previous class, we saw how the Sachin Tendulkar was taken to the ground. Yes, his brother has taken him to Shivaji Park where Achika sir was a coach. In this class, you can see how Sachin Tendulkar practiced in the ground. You can also see the picture. The Achika sir was practicing cricket along with Sachin Tendulkar. In the next paragraph, we can see that after the summer vacation practice, he find exhausted because he worked hard for his career. But he also realized that he was physically and mentally gained stamina. So, after every practice, he was taken back to home by his father. On the way to home, he often asking his father to buy a special fruit cocktail at a juice center near the club. While this regular demand was a little unreasonable because at that time he did not realize the parents' suffering. The parents also want to take care of his brother and sister at his home. But father does not want to show his difficulty. He only want to make his son to be happy. On another day, after the practice in Shivaji Park, he want to take his bus by own to house. At that time, it was a peak hours to get into the bus. Some days he will be getting seat. While he getting seat, he used to sleep for some time. But often he cannot get the seat. So it is very difficult for him to get into the bus with his kit bag. The conductor of the bus was often complaining about him that he was occupying the space of another passenger. So he find very difficult to take the bus. Sometimes the conductor asks for the money for a second ticket for his kid. But it is not possible for Sachin because he will be having a little amount for his ticket alone. And he used to wrap his kit bag around him like a helmet. In this paragraph, we can see that even though he find very difficult to travel in the bus, he achieved a great success in his life. Sometimes he will also take train from Bandra to Churchgate. It was a great learning experience for him. Even though Sachin loved cricket, there were some occasions when he played with his friends at home and have fun. At that time, Acheka sir, he will jump from his scooter and he will spot him from the place and he will scold him that to come to the Shivaji Park so that he can practice continuously. He used to tell him not to waste the time by playing some insane game with these kids because cricket is always waiting for him at the net. So he told Sachin to practice hard and see the magic that going to come in his life. He also told him that he want to have a proper career orientation. So once he select his career, he want to work hard for that. He want to enjoy that. Until he get the success, he want to do his hard work. At that time, he hated being dragged out. But now he remember about that days. He was very happy and he really admired his coach Acheka sir. Sir also punished him once in an occasion while he tried to bunk his daily evening practice to watch an inter-school cricket match as an audience. He told him not to be an audience. He want to play on the ground so that the others will watching his game. So this is the real determination that Sachin Tendulkar must hold. Later, he is a strict disciplinarian and did everything for Sachin. And Sachin vowed himself to him that he will become a best player in his life. And now we can see about the author. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973, Mumbai, Maharashtra. He was former Indian cricketer and captain for a long time. During his captainship, he achieved many records and he took over his career in very early age. He played many games and especially 664 international cricket matches in total, and he scored 34,357 runs, and also he set a record in his career as a batsman, and he is the greatest batsman all the time in the world. He is the only player to have scored 100 international centuries, the first to score double century in one day international, and only player to complete more than 30,000 runs in international cricket. This summary was taken from his autobiography, Playing It My Way. Here, students, we can also see the funeral of his coach Achekar sir. You can see Sachin Tendulkar who was carrying his coach mortal to the cremation ground. And his awards and the achieved year is also given in your textbook. His awards are Arjuna Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. And students, in next class, you can study all the glossary which is given at the book back.